What is up, everybody? It is your boy Farai. Thank you once again for tuning into another video, man. So today I'm going to be showing, shout out notification squad. So pretty much, man, today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your Autotune correctly for any beat that you may have. Sometimes I get songs from people for me to listen to and the Autotune is out of key. So I really want to help you not make that novice mistake. So yeah, man, I'll be running through 3 methods that you can use to really get your Autotune to sound better and pop better. So yeah, man, stick around for that. So the first technique that I'm going to show you is the easiest one, the one that I use all the time. It truly is worth the money. I think this is the MK2 version. You won't be able to find that anymore, but you will find MK3, and it costs around about the same price as what MK2 costed. It's around €7, which I think is probably like $8. So if you do want to save time, you can definitely get the Hornet SongKey and be good to go, you know what I mean? So the second one I might as well show you while we're on the browser is this site called AudioKeyChain. And pretty much what you can do is, as you can see, I've already done it for you just to make sure that it works. It got the BPM wrong, so that's pretty funny, but it did get the key right, okay? And the key of this futsal shuffle beat is D minor, okay? And one thing I also want you to take note of is that sometimes this plugin that I'll show you later on, you know, this one, it did it right this time around, but sometimes it will give you the relative key. Now, what does relative key mean? Okay, so this is a little bit of music theory here. Is relative key means for every major scale, right? Major scale on the left right here, we have a relative minor, or vice versa. So basically, or only relative minor, my bad, I sometimes forget about that. But yeah, so for example, if Hornet SongKey gave you C major, it could also go hand in hand with A minor. So for example, right here, man, I think the scale of the song was what? It was D minor, okay? What I could also do is set up the Autotune in F major, okay? So I can give an example right here. So the Autotune I'd set up, once playing the beat through this piece of software, it gave me D minor, right? But I could also set it up as F major and be completely fine.
I was falling.
Why am I got no audio?
I was down and out. I was falling. Brand new diamonds on my neck, counting money, had to flex. Might just teach you how to flex. Play the game, it's just like chess. Couple rackies in my jeans, now she wanna hang with me.
You see, it will sometimes say F major or D minor, so I recommend you try both scales, okay? So this is the paid method. This right here is the free method, so you can go ahead and do that. It does take a little bit longer because you have to actually upload the track. And then the third method, really, man, is the method I used to use back when I didn't even have access to internet. Is pretty much what you do is you would just set up your microphone, right, singing into Autotune, and then you would literally go through every single different option that there is, okay? So I would go for minor, and then I would go all the way from C down to B, and I would just sing into the Autotune and just hope for the best, which I don't recommend, especially if you're not too good with music theory, but those are the options that I can give you. So hopefully you learned something in this video. Feel free to recommend anything you'd like to see in future, and I will consider doing it. So yeah, man, I will leave the links in the description as well to Hornet SongKey. Definitely worth the money, man. I mean, it's not too expensive, $8 for a lot of time saved, especially for recording every weekend. Every second counts, and I will leave this link as well. So yeah, man, check out the full video for this as well. This is the Eternal Attack vocal effect, the latest one, and yeah, man, I'll check you next time. Peace out.